If you are a mother, if you are a woman, if you are a housewife, a working class woman, and in this 2024, you have not discovered how to save money, my dear, this video is for you. Because in this video, I'll be talking on how to save money in 2024. Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Skills Shop and my name is Caroline. I'm here to talk about the recession that is happening in 2024. If you are a mother, if you are a woman, if you are a housewife, a working class woman, and in this 2024 you have not discovered how to save money, my dear, this video is for you. Because in this video, I'll be talking on how to save money in 2024. Now, some of you will think, oh, is it that I'm going to go to the bank to save money? Am I going to deposit money somewhere to save the money? No. In 2024, if you don't know how to do some certain things by yourself in order to save money, then I don't know what you're waiting for. Because the recession is biting so hard. It doesn't matter how much you have. If you think that you have so much, you can use that money for charity. So 2024 is a time where every woman, every mother, every girl, every boy, every man will have to put their hands to work. I am an entrepreneur. I'm a woman that have so many skills. There are a lot of things in my home that I do by myself, and that has enabled me to save a lot of money. Now let's look at some of these things that I know you can do them by yourself. Now there are products that we use every day in our homes. There are products that we use every day. You bathe every day, so you use bathing soap every day. You wash your dishes every day. You use dishwashing soap every day. You wash your clothes frequently. You mop your floor. You scrub your toilet. You want your house to smell good. You use air freshener. There are a lot of products. You use your Izal, your Dettol, your bleach. All of these things, they are things that are very simple, very easy for you to start producing on your own. Now, you may want to say, oh, I'm not somebody that is good at making products, that is good at skill. No, these things are things that you will learn all by yourself. By watching my videos, I'll be posting these products, how I'm able to make them in the simplest form, so that you too can make it in your home. Now, let's give analysis. In 2024, a lot of things are on the rise in price. You went to the market yesterday to buy a bar of soap. They say it's 500 naira. And you go back the next week, they are telling you that same bar of soap is 600. You go back the third week, it is 800 naira. My dear, for how long? But you can do your own soap. You can produce your own soap that your family can use. I remember before I started producing my own product in the house, a bar of soap will not carry me, just me, for 1 month. And we are like 5 members of my family, 3 children and 2 adults. Myself, my husband, and my children. You can imagine every month we are using like 4 bars of soap for every month. And I spend, we are not expensive, I spend every month to buy these 4 bars of soap. I spend nothing less than 3,000 naira. Nothing less than 3,000 naira. But when I came to discover that with that 3,000 naira, I can do our own soap that can last for 6 months. Are you surprised? Don't be surprised. It can last us for 6 good months with that same 3,000 naira. Going to buy my own chemicals. And the beautiful part of it is that you know what you are applying on your skin. You know what you're using, you know the formulation, you know if you want to add whatever you want to add, you are free to add. Unlike some of this soap that we use, they tell you there is vitamin E, there is olive oil, but in the real sense, there is nothing like that. I can remember when I used to buy soap to wash our clothes. That one is not, you can't even imagine it. You can imagine a house of 5 persons and there are children, so you have more of dirty clothes. You spend money to buy liquid soap in order to use in your washing machine. And I can remember when I was buying this soap, I used to buy, as at then, I used to buy 10 liters of this soap for about 4,000 naira. 10 liters for 4,000 naira. That I cannot, it won't even last up to a month for that 10 liters. But when I discovered that I can also do my own liquid soap, I will use that same 4,000 naira to do a liquid soap of about 40 liters. Make your calculations. Now you are saving money gradually. If every month I'm spending 4,000 naira to get liquid soap for my clothes, and I'm able to now produce with that 4,000 naira to produce soap that will last me for 4 months, you can imagine I have saved about 12,000 naira. Now just imagine that you're saving 12,000 naira for liquid soap to wash your clothes. You're saving money from your bathing soap. You are saving money from your air freshener. You're saving money from your perfume. You are saving, when you calculate all this money you are saving just in 1 year. I have tried it, so I know what I'm talking about. When you calculate this money just in 1 year, you'll be amazed how much you have saved. In this video, I just want to encourage you. Subscribe to this channel, like the video, put on the notification bell so that whenever I begin to roll out this simple products that you can do all by yourself. Some persons, because of the names of these chemicals, they get scared about it. But I want to tell you that there is no need. I was like that. But when I began to do it on my own, I started doing these products in my home as a housewife before I discovered a vision about it. And today, I'm an entrepreneur. I am using it to make money for my family, not just for my family alone. So in 2024, everybody needs to start cutting down on a lot of things by learning how to do it yourself. Learn how to do your liquid soap by yourself. Learn how to do your bar soap by yourself. You can do different kind of bar soap. Different kind of bar soap. Whether you are a light person and you want a skin toning soap, you can formulate it by yourself. They are very, very simple. So all I'm just saying in this video is just to let you know that as you journey with us, we are just starting, we are just coming on board. As you journey with us by subscribing and putting on the notification bell, as we begin to drop these videos, you'll be part of it. You'll be part of those that will learn how to begin to save money, how to begin to always have money at the end of the day that is remaining from what you used to spend, the bulk money you used to spend. I remain your girl, Caroline, and I know that as you journey with us in this channel, you're going to be learning a lot, and I know that you'll be blessed. Share this video. Let them, encourage them to put on the notification bell and subscribe too, just to encourage us to keep growing. You won't regret it. Please go to the comment section. Whatever kind of product you would want us to teach you in this channel, go to the comment section and write it down there. Write the kind of product you want to learn. That area where you're spending so much money, write it down. And we are going to be rolling it out and bringing it your way. I remain your girl, and I love you. Bye.